The screams taken from the corn video leads into a transformery sound from the reversed water, and that gives us the controller of the video who's moving us through it. We then flow through these reverse noises of cymbals and water, soft sounds that sort of hold us as we're flowing through. These pulsating noises that sort of help us flow around objects as though we're hearing the same sound over and over again in different positions. Then once we face them, their sound drops away and holds them into that moment. We hold sort of quieter in some of the more still parts to give the more active scenes a bit more impact. This one here building up until it freezes at the moment of meeting the back of his head. And we hear sort of a muted bang from upstairs, and our ears pop with this whistle until we see the actual explosion in front of us. The explosion that holds still as we move through the clouds. We hear as we travel past parts of the explosion, but not the explosion itself. Then hold tension by dragging that sound away, until again we reach the transformers controlling our direction, moving us past from one side of the battlefield to the other. We then hear these clowns with an associated noise as thump that lets us know that the clowns are instant, they're in that moment. We see them as we see them, as opposed to the pre-warning. Drops again into a more silent time with the same clown noise muted to give the impression that we're not sure what's going on here, who we're seeing and when we're seeing them. The transformer noise then drags us back out through the window and allows us to slide down past the notes, and here as we move past those again into the clown face, presenting us with this noise that identifies who it is and what it is, but slightly muted, until the transformer sound then brings us to the